Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Metal Wave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Mitsubishi Triton GLXR dual cab ute. Stock reference number 4758. This shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard has one small dent. Bonnet has 3 small dents. Left power door mirror in chrome. This vehicle is fitted with aftermarket alloy mags, unknown brand, all with good tyres. Left hand side step. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear aftermarket 17-inch mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted sports bar and tonneau cover, hard lid with all bolts and brackets. Tailgate has multiple small dents. It's got a tidy rear bumper. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right hand tail light. Right rear aftermarket 17-inch mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right power door mirror in chrome, and a right front 17-inch aftermarket alloy mag with a good tyre. With a driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, transfer shifter, heater controls, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.